Right, this is how I broke even on the day yesterday trading. Yes, this was a low quality setup, and I do regret taking this trade, so I hope you can learn from my mistakes. So, first, when market was open, so on a daily time frame, I was bullish because we were in an uptrend. Right here, we closed above this and then we continued to go higher. And I targeted this high and this high. But because I targeted a daily high, it was really major and price decided to reverse after coming up here. So I was targeting this high, these two highs as my half take profit, and then this as my full take profit. So I hit the first take profit, which is the major daily high, and then it reversed after that. So that put me around break even on a day, and it didn't hit this because we reversed after this. So the sweep was around right here, and market opened right here, and we swept all this low time frame liquidity. Then we broke structure on the 50-minute, and I waited for a retracement to equilibrium, and I marked this out right here. And then if I go to the 3-minute time frame, as you can see, we didn't hit it, but I counted it like it already got hit because I was trading more like emotion, not really technical. And I entered around right here, and then we came back down, and I almost got stopped out. So I definitely got lucky on this trade. And so this was my first take profit, and it was a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which is really bad. But at the moment, I thought that was good because I was one trade away from breaking even on my account, and that definitely uh, made me rush into the next trade and chasing low quality setups just because I wanted to hit this trade faster, want to hit my goal faster, and it actually made it so low because I could have lost on day. There was no S&T, but Nasdaq was clearly more bearish compared to the S&P 500, which is why I took it on ES. So I took a partial, which I don't usually do, because I was uncertain that this trade would play out. And if that's the case, then why did I take this trade to begin with? So that was my first mistake, that I shouldn't have taken it. Second, that this was a low risk to reward, only a 1-to-1 for the first take profit. And also, I didn't notice this major daily high, which price just reversed off of. And because of that, I updated my trading notes, my strategy written on here. And here I added leading S&T divergence only, and target daily time frame liquidity and only 1 TP, and minimum RR double what I'm going to risk. So this is my updated strategy. We got bias on the daily time frame, high time frame liquidity sweep, 50-minute, both trend change, because if one is going to be bullish and the other is going to be bearish, then the market hasn't decided where it's going to go. And then retrace into equilibrium instead of a fair value gap, because I think it's higher probability that we get a reaction off of equilibrium other than just one small fair value gap, or that's just what I like using. and then 3 minute change in trend to confirm that we're going to continue this uptrend. And then I'm going to target stack draws and liquidity or daily time frame liquidity. And then I only take the trade on the leading index to have higher probability. And then 1 TP and at least double the risk to reward. So these are going to be my updated rules. And I'm going to be reading them before I take every trade to avoid any mistakes or not change my strategy while in a trade. And so I know everything that I need to do. I think this helps a lot. You guys have the same problem that I do. Basically, writing all of this down is going to help, I think. So I might take a trade today, yes, but this was me going over my trade I took yesterday. When I made like basically breaking an update. So if you guys have any questions or suggestions about my channel, my strategy, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.